Hi, beautiful angels. This is Mystic C from Magic Vans Tarot, and this is what is coming next. Pick a card reading, charms reading, yes, friends. Your most requested and awaited reading, friends. Yes, here it is now, and this is a general reading. It may resonate or it may not. So take whatever resonates, leave the rest behind. Also, friends, join us on Instagram as Magic Vans Tarot to buy a personal reading. Visit our website www.magicventstarot.com. Friends, make sure to subscribe our channel because if you subscribe, you get a chance to win a free reading. Yes, friends, at the end of every month you get a chance to win a free reading. So subscribe, like, share, and there are many March horoscopes and 2021 horoscopes charms reading I have done. You can check them out. I'll try to link them in the cards above or in the timestamps. And friends, what's we are starting into March 2021. I can't believe it, although this is a timeless reading, but my god, finally. Who can you believe it? This year is fast, unlike last year, and this year is going too fast. Even though it's a bit strange year, isn't it? So this week, Mars is moving in Gemini. This will make us all talkative, make us all chatty, make our minds very active. Romance will also be very conversational, lots of talks, lots of love. And Sun is in Pisces, so emotions, everybody want to talk about their emotions this week and lots more. I have some yummy charms for you, so let's take a deep breath, relax, and I can actually sing today. So let's take a deep breath, relax, and let's choose option number one, this beautiful Simply Love card. Option number two, this beautiful Find Balance card. Option number three, Share the Love card. There's a glare on the card. So relax, take a deep breath and choose option 1, option 2, option 3, friends. I will leave the timestamps in the comment section so you can directly skip to there. You can also pause the video, friends, if you need more time to choose, or you can choose from the timestamps. So let's begin for option number 1, and I will be pulling your charms shortly. So this is option number 1, Simply Love. Number 6, Six of Cups. Friends, this is a beautiful energy, love, harmony. This is coming your way. Love, peace, harmony. This is a beautiful energy. I feel you need it. You need this support. Look at you here. I feel this is you looking a bit lost. Look at this. This is you looking a bit lost, but like support is like God is like standing beside you and saying yes, 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 finally things are about to get better. This is your advice. These are your oracle messages. We're gonna look at the charms also. So let's see what will happen this week or what is next for you. Five of Cups. Yeah, you're feeling a little bit sad. You're a little bit disappointed right now. Or when you start this week, you are like something from the past has not gone or things are not going as you want them. If you are single, you are feeling a lack of love. If you are in relationships, you are you are in long distance, no contact. You are a little, I feel this is about your life in general. You're feeling a bit sad. You're feeling a bit disappointed. You are feeling like life is not going as you want. You see, have you been crying? Oh, you feel a bit lost. Look here, this person is this little boy is crying. I see you crying, actually. It's like you're crying, but you have made peace with it. It's like, yeah, it's okay. You can't do much, so you made peace with it. Trust that there is a reason for everything that happens. Remove yourself from the negative emotions of others, focusing on that which frightens or worries you. Wow, focusing on that. Yeah, I think you're focusing too much on what's wrong or what's not working in your life. I also see other people are bringing drama into your life. That's why you are a little sad. But I think it is going to shift because from 5 you are coming to 6. 6 is about harmony. 6 is about peace. So good things. Ace of Winter. Yeah, a breakthrough is coming, friends. A powerful change is coming into your life, and I see this will happen either this week when Mars moves into Gemini. So that's about clarity, that's about communication, that's about peace, that's about relief. Breakthroughs coming, and I definitely feel your mental worries. You are worried about something that's going to heal. So that's a good thing. I think some of you are also worried about work. It is going to heal, friends. Some good news is coming, some breakthrough is coming. Either you are going to find a solution, or some news is going to come which will give you some hope, like, yes, you can do this. So, some hope is coming, a breakthrough, a pure clarity is coming. So, this is a powerful week for you. Let's read on the card. Don't be deterred by challenges along the way. It is important to communicate clearly and accurately. See, you should not give up, friends. If you are planning to give up on a dream, on a goal, or a relationship, this week is not about giving up. Definitely not. Even if you are planning to give up on yourself, don't. Because you are very strong. You are like this white tiger. You are unique and you are beautiful, and amazing new ideas that should be implemented. So look for conversations, look for ideas. They are solutions are coming your way, a breakthrough is coming. I feel this week, you will find solutions through ideas, or news or messages coming your way. It may not be like an opportunity coming, but it is like an idea coming, a news coming, a message coming that will make you or someone messaging you, or you a new relationship, a new friendship, communication starting a new course. So that will shift your energy. Strength 1111. Yeah, twin flame connection. Some of you are really, really into twin flame connections. I see a relationship is getting better, even though there is disappointment here, even though you may be separate, you may have broken up, or you are in no contact with this person. This relationship is strong. You can count on it. Even if you are having family issues, I think a lot of us are going through family issues. I think almost all of us are going through family issues because of this pressurized situation. All of us clubbed together in houses, working from home. It's a pressure cooker situation. So in pressure, we get food cooked. So I think the my God, sometimes the suggestions, I mean, the things angels say are really funny. I have to smile. I think my guides are chefs or something. They are very brilliant chefs. They like to cook. I think you also should take some time to cook this week, or enjoy a good meal. Go out, have a good meal, even if it is by yourself. Take your precautions, but do something nice for yourself. So I feel your relationships are strong, and they are getting stronger. They are getting tested, but they are also getting stronger. So you can count on your family, you can count on your your relationships, your lover, or even if a twin flame, you can count on them. This relationship is strong. Even though you may be separate, but it is going strong. And you can count on your physical health and yourself. So it's a very powerful week, friends. It's a powerful week. Princess of Cup. Yeah, a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces person is important for you, and or you may be yourself Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, a new lover. Let's see, a new relationship or an emotional experience. Invitations to social event, a compassionate friend you can share your concerns with. Yeah, so I feel you are definitely going to find relief. You are going to find emotional friends and support that you are missing right now. And I think you're going to you're going to find people whom you can share with. I also see people that you are waiting for, they are going to message. Or if you are really single, some new friendships coming your way this week. Five of Spring. Yeah, I see a lot of struggle with family. Or also, whether I see that there are people around you who are like, maybe you are struggling in life at your work, like with your boss, things are not getting along with your career, even at exams, you feel like you have to really work hard, or you have to tell your family to give you some time to study or something. So some arguments can happen this week because you are in a powerful position, and you are also a little tired of this drama going on. It's like a pressure cooker situation, and you are a little disappointed. So out of frustrations you may get angry. But I think if and also some of you are feeling a little vulnerable. But I think you can, if you focus that you are very powerful, you and focus on communicating. Communications are very important, friends, because Mars will make you very communicative, but Mars, Sun in Pisces, will make you very emotional also at the same time. So you have to decide how much love, how much sweetness you will add, how much sugar or salt or pepper you will add to your words. I do see some arguments, some tussle, but I think you can enjoy it as attraction or some passion. But it can also be like you need some space of your own this week, right? Opposing goals arising from different opinions, focusing on feeling at odds with yourself at others, and overly ambitious people. Yeah, someone is. I feel there is a lover that is behaving a little stupidly or rather arrogantly this week. A twin flame, a husband wife, or someone you are in no contact, they love you, they want to talk with you, they might send you a message, but then they might be like, oh, it was just a mistake, it was by chance, I just dialed wrongly. So you might be like, what is going on with this person? So keep your patience, friends. You are very powerful. You can be patient, magician. Yeah, focus on your career, focus on your future. That way you will be very happy, and that way you will avoid a lot of drama that's happening around you. And I also see that in your career you can achieve a lot of success. Some news or information is coming, or exam dates are coming, so you can get prepared for start preparing for things. Something you are waiting for is going to arrive, or some news or message is going to arrive also. It's time to manifest. It's time to start manifesting or focusing on your future instead of staying in disappointment. If you are not taking action for your goals, your career, your love life, if you are single and you are not going out and ready to mingle, it's time, friends. It's really time. It's really time. It's time to say hello to new people. It's time to say, get some things doing. Otherwise you will be frustrated if you are not doing something. You need to, it's not enough to scatter the seeds, right? It is time to even dig the ground and put the seeds in the ground so that they sprout, right? That's the week this is. You can do anything. Take a charge of your life. You can manifest what you want. So yes, something new is coming, and one. So some new relationships are coming. Some rebirth or a restart when a relationship is coming. Justice. Yes, some of you are feeling life has done you wrong. Some of you are feeling your parents are doing you wrong. Some of you are feeling like life is a test. Yes, it is, but you are going to win, friends. That's also there, because 1111, you are the victorious one. Destiny is if destiny is testing you, fate is testing you. Why? Because it is also going to reward you. So don't worry, don't doubt it. You are going to be rewarded. If someone left you, they might message you directly, or they might post something on their social media like they are missing you, they want you back or something. I see that they will be indirect about their love for you, but they will be sorry, that they are sorry they left you. If someone is doing you wrong this week, they're gonna get it right back, friends. Honestly speaking, they're gonna get it right back, because you are a very powerful person. I surely won't be coming in your way. 10 of summers, yeah. Some of you are really in need of a time of happiness, a time where there is love, there is joy, and there is peace. No burdens, no stress, no fights, nothing. You need this time out. I would suggest, if you can't find it in your life, take yourself out, enjoy a good meal. Maybe, I don't want to endorse anything, but grab a burger or something, eat anything, enjoy some good times with the family or a close friend. If you have nobody, try to go out alone if possible. Do something that makes you happy. I also feel some of you are manifesting a love relationship or a reunion, or you are manifesting a marriage or some friendships. Yes, they are coming. You are going to be very lucky. An emotionally fulfilled life with family or friends, and raising children wisely, and people that you can trust. I also see some of you might be traveling to meet your family, Or some of you are missing your, like grandparents, or somebody like you are away from your family, you miss them. So, or you're away from your parents, you're missing them, you lost a parent, you're missing them. You can take some time to spend and write a letter to them or something. You are connected with them, and you are also going to find good things, good people in life in the future. You are manifesting it, so don't worry. Let's see your oracle cards. Fork in the road. Yes, friends, changes are coming. Number 13, some decisions are necessary. I think this is about how much time you will spend with how many people this week, what you will want to talk with them. Someone wants to come back, or do you want them, do you not want them? Do you want to spend time with your family, you don't want to spend time? Who is it? There are decisions, there are choices, but there are also solutions and clarity coming your way. So go for it. Higher power, yes. Some things, a relationship is definitely under higher power or fate. And if you feel single and alone, or if you feel like your connection is not strong or not in contact right now, it is because there is a plan. Destiny is doing a plan. Things are aligning in your favor. Things will fall into place. 10 of cups. Ultimate happiness will be yours. Second chakra, Archangel Ariel. I think it is time to believe in yourself, friends. Don't doubt yourself. Believe, love, self love is very important for you. Simply love yourself. Be gentle with your body. Release anger, release doubt, release some, anxiety, pain. I think you are forgetting that your health is very important. Maybe you are, fighting a lot, or there is too much negativity, or just competition at your work or in your career or family. So focus on yourself. Call upon Archangel Ariel. She will help you. She's the lioness of angels, as they say, because she's extremely powerful, and she can give you, what you say, confidence. She can give you strength to stand powerful and loving and nurturing. So you and go after your dreams. If you are feeling like you don't have enough confidence, she can give you confidence also. Door to personal healing and happiness. Yes, friends, this is, I feel like, your this is the last week of your struggle, because I see your life getting better and better after this. So don't worry. If you are losing hope, stay there, because some breakthroughs are coming for you. Let's see some advice, then we're gonna look at your charms. Stay optimistic. See, your dreams are coming true. Don't quit right before the miracle occurs. So, yes, friends, you gotta stay optimistic, and you should not quit your miracle. A miracle is definitely coming, I see, with the Ace of Swords. I see it could be a new relationship or a job offer coming, or something that you are waiting for and you have given up on. You have given up hope that this will happen. It is coming, friends, it is coming. But there will be some risk involved, because decisions are there. Let's see your charms. Option number one. The future read for option number one. Alright, you have a lot of charms. Let's see. Yeah, travel is important. Yeah, I did felt that travel is important. Let's see. See, cooking. We were talking about cooking. The teapot is here, and there is the THO hot. Oh my God, you are hot. I think the passions are really very high this week, because Merc. I don't know why. You could be dealing with an Aries, Leo, Sag person, or you yourself are an Aries, Leo, Sagittarius person. Hot. You are very hot. You are very attractive, and people around you are very passionate. So that is a sign. Also, hot could mean something specific to you. So you have to keep that in mind. You have a lot of numbers also here. And yeah, pineapple reconciliation. Someone wants to reconcile, or you want to reconcile with somebody. Some difference of opinions with friends or family or lovers, they will be sorted out this week. Don't worry. Number 17 is important. Number 37 is important, and number 14 is also important for you. So a lot of numbers are important. This beat, it is like, watch out for what you are saying or what other people are saying. Some communications are important. The lion, believe in yourself, friends. You're very, very strong. Lion is also a sign of power, self confidence, or Leo person. Teapot, friends, you are very close to achieving some goals, whether you are a student, whether it is in love or family, you're close to achieving it, so don't give up. You also some friends, you might meet friends this week or family, some birthdays. You might be, your birthday might be coming on the 17th or on the 14th, this month, so your birthday is there, celebrations are there. Iron, things will sort out. You have the power to sort things. Intelligent, be intelligent, friends. Blue car, intelligence, use your intelligence. Yellow car, use your positivity, stay positive. Be wise, with whom to talk, not to talk. Be wise, be happy. Another happy charm, something will happen that will make you feel very happy, or that will make you feel very nice, very satisfied. Also, if you're manifesting, like I see some money coming your way, you are manifesting, or something like a message coming your way, compliments coming your way, someone hot is trying to message you, you were looking for that person to message you, so you will get like, yeah, finally my manifestations are working. Roads, where are we going? We don't need roads. Yeah, I think this week, no, you should not make any plans, because something unexpected may happen, and like, go out, take some travel, change your routine. It will be good for you. The aeroplane, yeah, news, you're waiting for travel may happen. I also feel you could be waiting to travel or restrictions to open. Also, I feel like, some of you could be changing, you are planning to change your house, place you live, so that is also there. You will find the clarity. There is this leaf, so I would say there is a lot of talks happening, non-stop chatter, or people trying to let go of things you can't control. Message in a bottle, someone wants to message you, someone wants to tell you something, a new friend, a past lover. Eight of Wands, communications. A lot of communications are coming, friends. So get ready. Ace of Air. We already have the Ace of Air. Ace of Winter. Oh my god, I can't take that card out. See? Ace of Winter. Ace of Winter. So, a breakthrough is coming, friends. You have to be, it's coming for you. It's time. Venus, focus on love, focus on beauty. 10 of coins. Money is coming your way. Some of you are looking for money or financial, family money. Yes, it is coming. Like businesses of the family to improve. Two of coins, choices. Busy week, very busy week. You are very busy. Five of wands, again, see, five of wands we have here. So it has come twice, friends. So be a little careful. There are people who gonna bring drama in your life. You can say to them like, okay, I'm busy. Don't listen, okay? Cat, yeah, be smart like a cat. Cats don't pamper people who are not, cats are very intelligent. Cats are actually very wise masters. Buddhist monks used to meditate with cats. They are wise beings, they are very intelligent, they are spiritually very advanced also. So you should be like a cat, and cat might be important for some of you, past life connections. So some of you are connecting with a past life person, a soulmate, a new person. February is also important, so February, something is happening right now, someone born in February is important. So that's it for now, friends. I wish you a very happy week, and make sure to subscribe Magic Wins Tarot. And this is Mystic C saying bye bye. So, friends, for those who chose option number 2, this beautiful Find Balance card, let us see what's coming next for you. Charms reading. I'll be pulling the charms shortly. So, I feel find balance. I see this is a very busy week for you. It is also number 2. It's like you running, running, running. I see this hourglass. So, time is money for you this week, or whenever you watch this reading, time is of importance. These are your oracle and advice, and we're gonna pull the charms shortly. Let's see your cards. Let's see. Ooh, lots of things happening, friends. Lots of things. Hermit, I see. Currently, you have a lot on your mind. You have a lot on your mind. You have a lot on your plate. Your work, you are busy, you're thinking. If you are a student, you're working, you're working, you're studying. You also might be, planning a lot. There's a lot. No matter whatever you are, student, lover, husband, wife, whatever, normal person, There is a lot on your mind right now, and you are keeping quiet about it. You are not telling people your plans, you're keeping quiet, you're being very, you're keeping a low profile. I feel you're also feeling antisocial, or you might feel like, you don't have time this week to talk much or share much because you're very busy and you're very focused on your work, on your studies, on your love life, or on your future. So you're very focused. uh, Find or be a mentor, take a break from society, a commitment to your spiritual growth. So, yeah, you are very focused, friends. You are very busy, and I see a lot of questions on your mind. Like you are thinking or reading a lot this week, or you right now also you are reading Hermit or some spiritual books. Or any sort of book you are reading, and it is making you feel like it may be something, may not be a book, it may be like you are reading some articles or some YouTube videos, you are learning something this week and it is for your good. I also feel that you have a lot on your mind or you have a lot to say, but you are not telling anybody. It's like there is a lot on your mind, on your heart, or someone has a lot to say to you, but they are not telling you. Someone is behaving like this hermit in your life. Queen of Pentacles, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus person. So I do feel this week you are very committed to work, friends. You are very, very committed to your career, to your studies, to your future. You want to change. You are working towards it. You are building your financial security also. You are working on your health also, or you have a lot of plans. You're like you are planning to shift, or you are planning to join a course. You are not telling anybody. You are planning for it. You are finding the resources. You are doing the work, but you are not telling people about it. So that's a good thing, I think. Be practical with respect to be practical with respect to how you proceed, the ability to make anything more beautiful. Meeting someone that can help your dreams to come true. Yeah, I do feel that, you are waiting. I think someone is waiting and watching you, but you are very committed to your goals, and that is what someone is watching you, that how committed you are. How can you work all this? How can you manage everything while you are busy as a student or as a lover or anything? You are busy, but someone is watching you and they are not telling you that they are keeping an eye on you. It could be a secret lover, it could be a secret admirer, it could be a crush of yours, it could be a past lover of yours, but someone is keeping an eye on you. Someone wants to tell you something, but they are keeping their patience. Six of spring. Yeah, I do feel some of you are definitely going to have some sort of a success in your career. Definitely this week you are going to either find a job or move towards a new job or something. You're going to feel more confident about your career, or your skills. Also, if you are a student, you may get the papers that exactly you want. Like you have a good exam, you are like extremely excited, like yay, finally we did it. It was an easy paper. So some of you are definitely getting some success, some fame, some, people are watching you. I keep getting that. It's like when the sun is someone is watching you, but they are not telling you. But as soon as the sun moves into Aries around the 20th of March, I think, yeah, if I'm correct, right, things will move for you. Things will move for you. So that's what is happening. Wonderful news is on its way to you. Smart choices that can bring success, and success and public recognition are coming for you. So definitely, friends, you are going to get success, fame, achievements. Especially in your career, some of you may get a promotion, some of you may get complimented for your dress, for your looks, for your some glow is there. I see you glowing. I see you glowing. And maybe you are trying some facials this week, not telling anybody. You are doing it on your own, or some learning some new tricks or something. The Hierophant. Yeah, friends, big things are on your mind, big questions are on your mind. Why you meet somebody, what is why we are here on earth, what is going on, what is your life purpose. This week you are thinking about big things also. You, if you are in a relationship, you are slightly confused about it. You don't know why you met somebody, what was the reason. why you met them, or if you are single, what is the reason, when will you meet somebody. So big questions are on your mind, big questions. I think you should watch the reading, what is your soul mission, because I think the questions you have in your mind, it can be solved by that pick a card reading. You might find some help out of that. Soul mission pick a card reading, I just did it 2 3 days back. You can watch that. And yeah, big questions are on your mind, and you are planning for your future this week. A lot is going on. Some of you are confused whether to stay in your career, leave it, change it. Some of you are also confused about a marriage or relationship or a family. I also feel pile number two, you are feeling a bit alone, like nobody understands you. Nobody understands you. You feel like left out, like you are this black sheep in the family. You are very successful. Maybe they don't understand you. Maybe you are a woman who is very successful, who's not yet married. So people are like, your family doesn't understand that. Even if you are a man, you are studying. Maybe you're working, you're still studying, so they are like, what is going on? They don't understand you. So there is a feeling like people don't understand you this week, but you are okay with it. But you feel a bit of loneliness. Do the right thing for the right reason, and compare traditional views versus approaches to see which works, versus new compare traditional versus new approach to see which works best for you. A spiritually minded community. Yeah. Some of you are definitely reading something spiritual. Also, you are looking for solutions of higher things in life, like why you met a person, what is your life purpose. These big questions are in your mind. Six of cups, a soulmate is coming. Yes, friends, there is a person from your past or currently you are with. Six of cups, someone is there who has a lot of feelings for you, but they are keeping it quiet. I feel they will share it with you sooner or later, because they want to win you. This person wants to win you. They could be a somebody from your past, somebody you are in no contact with, someone who ghosted you, blocked you. This person is definitely thinking about you this week. I also feel some of you are very nostalgic about your childhood. This week you are very like missing someone from your child, the happy days. Someone is also missing you. Life experience, the tower. Oh my God, yeah, something sudden may happen this week. Like some sort of a sudden news from, or like some past friendships, or someone who ghosted you may unblock you and quickly message you like, hey, what's happening, or you may bump into them or something. So something is happening this week, friends. I do see a tower movement can happen, like a good way. Like you were not expecting a compliment or some person to meet, but you will meet them. I also feel that if a relationship is going through troubles, don't worry, I see that victory will happen. If your relationships are going through ups and downs, you will find victory. Also, if you lost a job or something, or your financial loss is happening, you will recover from it, because you also have the Fool. So, some new starts are happening for you. New starts where you had faced losses. So don't worry, a new start is coming, especially in areas where you had a loss, or you had faced some tower movements, maybe in love or in work. Both, a new start is coming. Embrace your true purpose, begin a new adventure, trust in yourself. So definitely some of you might have to travel this week. It may be risky, but you will still go for it. Some of you may propose a lover. It might be a bit risky. It might not be your usual thing, but you might go ahead and propose, and it might be a good start to something new. I also see some of you may just go to a makeover or something, change your hair color, some makeup or something, or join a course just like that, and it will be interesting for you. Ace of Cup, love is coming, friends. Love is coming. A lot of love is coming for you. I feel someone has a lot of feelings for you. They are aching for you. I can feel their ache. You are also aching for that person. But I see the out of the blue something is going to bring you together. Ace of Cups. There is a lot of love in this connection. There is a lot of love. Either someone from the past or someone new is coming in your life. It will happen this week or in the coming weeks. Open your heart to love, the beginning of a new intimate relationship or a rebirth of a past relationship, the awakening of psychic abilities and spiritual gifts. So again, spirituality is very important. Some of you, I think you should fall in love with yourself also this week. Taking care of yourself, falling in love, becoming very proud of yourself. King of Summers, yeah. Someone wants to share their heart with you. Someone has so much love for you. They are dying to share it. I don't know what's going on with this person. I seriously don't know why they are not telling you. They have this hermit, they have this confusion. Maybe they are a bit lost spiritually, so they are figuring out. Once they figure out, they're gonna come and tell you. Maybe you have a difference of religion, culture that's keeping you apart, but I feel this person has a lot of love for you. A mature romantic person you can trust, excellent advice that come from the heart, and getting involved with a creative adventure. So I do feel, friends, someone new or someone from the past is coming into your life, a relationship. There will be a lot of feelings. Either that person will message you or you are thinking about them. Let's see what else. I also see someone new coming, someone much better coming, someone which is much more emotionally mature than the past person. So if you are hung up on the past person or a past heartache, say yes to new people, because there is a person who is emotionally mature. They are coming for you. The fate number 17, something is fated that will happen this week or in the coming week. So, and also what happened in the past was also serving a purpose, so don't worry. The tribe, you're going to meet your people, friends. Some of you are feeling very lonely, or you just work, so you are like, where is my social life? There is nothing. Where are my friends? You're going to meet your friends, people who understand you, who are, I think some of you are also feeling disconnected from your family. Like, they don't understand you, you don't understand them now, but you're going to find your family, your soul friends. We are also your family, right? Journey. Yeah, someone is taking a journey towards you, or you are at a crossroads where you are like, yes, which way to go. Some decisions will be there this week, whether to stay with a past lover, move on, whether to stay in the past job or move on, rest and rejuvenate. Yeah, you are so busy, friends. You are so busy, and so much of planning and thinking is going on. So I would suggest you to advise you to rest and take care of your health, because I see you neglecting it. Definitely, you're very busy, you're very focused on your career. Also, you're kind of like feeling a bit lost. So let's see your advice. Rest, oh my god. Okay, so you are not planning to rest, so God sent you two cards. Look at that. You have been working hard. Take a nap and get some rest. Yes, friends, good things are coming your way. You don't need to worry about it. Fate will find good things for you. You just need to keep an open heart, and you can enjoy and rest this week. I'll pull you a romance angels, and then we're gonna do the charms, because I feel something love related is happening here. What's happening? Oh my god. Can we have one card? Like all the entire deck just fell down. Please, one card. What's happening? Okay, thank you. Wedding. This situation involves marriage. Some of you are worried about getting married. Some of you are going to meet someone you will marry. Yes, so you are going to find people, friends. You are going to find people who are perfect for you. Don't worry. I think this is a confirmation for some of you. So, yes, let's see your charms. And yes, some of you might be getting married with this past person. What's the number three? What will happen? Oh, wow. The Wheel of Fortune is here. I can see that. Let's see, friends. Let me just separate the charms a bit so we can quickly look at them. Oh, heel. Some of you might have heel pain this week, or your feet might ache, because I think you're working a lot. You're not realizing it. Joy. Someone named Joy might be important. Wow, this is perfect. And you saw we just shuffled the charms. I don't know what the bag is like. Huge. It's a huge bag. I can't see what's inside it. Heel. Wow, heel. So yeah. I think you are going to stand a lot on your feet, so take some time to sit down, relax, as they say, rest. And what else? Joy, someone named Joy is important. And what else? Any other word? I don't know if you can make any other word. Let me know. I can't make any other words right now from it. You let me know if you can. And let's see your numbers. These are your extra charms. So your initials are HEEL and JOY, and the numbers are number 19 and number 25. So they might be important. And look at that, something is going to happen that will make you feel like, I am so happy, I'm so blessed. So this is perfect. Don't forget to save. Yeah, I do feel that some sort of a celebration or money raise or some money is coming, so yeah, some dates, some celebrations, or some birthdays or something is coming, some celebration is coming. The starfish wish is coming true. Yes, your stars are shining, so don't worry. Again, the shoe is here. So, friends, some of you need to buy shoes, or some of you will actually go and indulge in shopping, because I think you're going to do that. And some of you, this is like Cinderella, me finding what you are looking for. You're looking for answers, big questions, big answers. You'll find it. The car, yeah. Someone, I feel like some of you want to buy a car, or someone with a big car is important, like a lover or husband or wife with a person with a big car is important. So that is there. Leave, I think, friends, there some things some things end because there was a purpose for them, but some things may begin in its place. So keep your heart open. Ace of Cups, this leaf reminds me of Ace of Cups, a new start as well as a new an ending, but a new start. Wheel of Fortune, yes, you are very destined, you are very lucky, and money coming your way. Look at that, a lot of money, a lot of career success is coming. I'm so happy for you, friends. I hope it brings you some relief. Dog, yeah, someone loyal is coming your way. Don't worry. And I feel the past person is also loyal to you. They are missing you. And again, the goggles, the specs are here. Look at that. So you may be in something. I think you're watching too much of TV or this computers, laptops, mobiles. So you should rest, friends. You are studying too much or working too much. That's why you have to rest cards. Rest. Some of you may have like you need to buy a goggle or specs, or some of you may have like eye itching or something, like eye packs. You need that, some care, some affection for your eye, and someone is watching you, someone is keeping an eye on your social media. Yes, friends, and I think they are going to propose you a new lover or somebody from the past. You are very much protected. Look at that, the angel wing. You are very protected. You are very safe. Don't worry. Go your own way. Yeah. Friends, this is perfect. The hermit, feeling alone, the hierophant. I don't know. I feel different. Yes, you are different. You are unique. So follow your own path. Your path may not make sense to others, but you can follow it because it makes sense to you. Knight of Coins, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus person is important. Seven of Cups, yeah, your wishes will be fulfilled, friends. Don't worry. Star, yes, wishes coming true. Also fame, compliments, King of Wands, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius person. Again, Venus is important, so focus on beauty, focus on love, focus. Ace of Cups twice, friends. Oh my god, friends. So, some of you are definitely going to have a new lover or a new friendship, or you are going to connect with a new part of yourself, like something new is going to happen. And seer, again, spiritually, friends, you are going to find somebody spiritual in your life, or there is something happening, a spiritual lesson here in your life this week. Cat, yes, cat is again self care, self love. So, my god, this is a very powerful reading for you, friends. Subscribe Magic Wednesday Tarot, and that's it for now. Mystic C saying bye bye. So, friends, if you chose option number three, let's see this beautiful share the love card. Number three, I see some sort of a celebration, communication, or healing happening this week for you. Or whenever you watch this reading, some sort of healing is happening, some sort of emotional openings, celebrations, and something beautiful is happening. We'll see in detail with charms also, and these are your oracle and advice messages. Let's see what will happen next for you. Let's see that. Wow, the moon. Yeah, you are feeling a lot of emotions, friends. You may be feeling very emotional, very nostalgic, very creative also. You may be drawn to certain songs or certain sort of music this week, or when you are watching this reading, like you are missing, maybe you're missing a past lover or something, so you're drawn to the music they liked. Your creativity is very high this week, friends. You could be a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, or you could be dealing with a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. I feel this is your emotions are very high, friends, this week. So you may feel a little emotional, a little romantic, a little poetic also. So all these dreamy things will matter. Dreams are also very important. Some of you may have an important dream this week, and it will be something. This dream is important. This dream will guide you, or it will remind you of somebody. So it's a very emotional week for you. Powerful intuitive epiphanies, letting go of worry and fear, understanding the truth of a situation. Yeah, some things are not clear in your life, they will become clear to you this week. So clarity is also coming. If you are confused about some area of your life, clarity is coming. Three of cups. Wow, three of cups, three of cups. So definitely, friends, celebration. Some of you could be having your birthdays, or in the family there is a birthday, or your friends or your lovers are meeting. So there is a celebration, there is a happiness, a high, or you're looking for happiness. You're looking to celebrate something you want in your head, in your heart. You are planning, oh, we are going to celebrate like this, we're gonna do this, we're gonna do that. So there is a happy energy, a happy fresh energy in your heart. You're planning for a celebration, or there might be a celebration in your life, meeting with friends, going out, a birthday, or someone saying hello, and it will make you feel excited. News worth celebrating, announcements such as weddings, graduations, and friends that you can cherish are coming. So, yes, a good news is coming. Happy times. The star, yes, you're definitely, friends, you are entering into good period and good happiness. Your stars are shining. You will feel emotional, but at the same time excited about life, excited about your future. Some hopes are being restored, some faith is being restored, some sort of a success is also coming your way. I feel this week your intuition is very high, so you should listen to your intuition, friends. If a message is coming, or repeating signs like number 777, 111, 333, you will see a lot of these numbers, and it is a sign that yes, you are supported, you are on the right path. I also feel a wish will come true for you, friends. You will achieve maybe a small wish, like a celebration, a friendship, a happy day, or a reunion, or something. There is a wish come true for you this week. Awakening, yeah, some things are making you pause, some things are stuck. You feel stuck in a situation, maybe a marriage, a love relationship, or a career. You feel stuck, like life is stuck, you don't know what to do. That is why you are a little emotional to start this week. You feel stuck, but I think the solution this to this problem is like, let it go for now. Don't try to solve everything this week. Some things are stuck because this is not the right time. The right time will come in the future, or later ahead in the week. So let it be. Try a new approach, change the way you are looking at a situation, embrace your uniqueness. A temporary pause in action, yeah, it is. Some things are pausing in your life. Maybe it is your work, maybe it is a relationship, or maybe you are taking more time from away from family towards friends, or your goals, or your future. Yes, it is okay, it is perfectly fine, and it is exactly what you need to do. Six of winter, yes, friends. This is a new start. If I also feel a relationship was stuck, not moving forward, like you both are in no contact, no conversations, difference, long distance relationship, or you guys were friend zoning someone, or you guys were like, blocking each other. But I think things are going to move forward in your love life. Some celebrations, messages, some growth, some communications coming your way, happiness coming your way, they missing you, you missing them. So things moving forward in love life, definitely. Positive changes are coming for you, a welcome relief from troubled times, traveling and relocating. Yeah, I do feel things which are stuck are going to resolve or improve or open up for you, so don't worry. Prince of Spring, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius person is coming towards you. Some quick opportunities are coming, some quick decisions are coming for you. Also, I feel, friends, you gonna feel like very, you want a quick change this week. You are like aching for some quick adrenaline rush. You know that thing, you go on a bungee jumping or some bungee jumping or something, you feel that rush. You go on a bike ride, you feel that thrill, you want thrill, you want excitement, a craving for it. I think you are going to get it, something exciting, something, maybe it is as simple as eating an ice cream, because nowadays nobody likes ice creams. I don't think so anybody is eating them, but like you might like, let's try it. Just for a risk, so something exciting is coming your way, some excitement is coming. I also see some job opportunities or some job related. If you are a student, some excitement in your studies is coming, so get ready. You will have to make some quick decisions. I also see someone might propose you or someone might flirt with you. Aries, Leo, Sagittarius person, from social media or from your friends, ex-boyfriends, ex's friend or somebody, someone likes you, and they might just be very flirty and very passionate about you. Prince of Autumn, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus person, yeah. So there is another person also with which things are stuck, but with another person or a friend or a lover, things are about to start. So you are in for luck, friends. I also see that some of you are worried about money or your family's money or money situation of your own. I think you should forget it this week, how, about your money, because this week is more about enjoying your life and taking a break and focusing on things you like, health and all these things, not upon how much money is coming or not. Eight of Cups, yeah, someone, you are moving forward from a breakup, friends. Someone you have lost or someone left you, you are trying to recover from that. And yes, you are going to meet some new people, new friendships or new compliments. Someone online might say hi, you might try dating also, online dating. Some passion is coming in your life, some passionate experiences are coming for you. Some of you may also try, like bikes, bike driving, bicycle, riding a bicycle, going back to gyms. You're trying to bring some passion in your life. I do see someone from the past trying to reach out to you. I don't know, but I don't see you want to talk to them. I see they want to come back, but I don't know if you want to talk with them, because you are focused on changing your life, on a new passionate start in your life. It is time to take action. Be fearless and happily pursue your most important dreams, amazing career opportunities. So, some of you are also starting or getting your admission in a college or a course, or you are getting very excited, very passionate about your career also. So this is a very emotional week for you. Your passions are high, your emotions are high, romance is high. A lot of dreams are also there. You will be getting a lot of signs, a lot of dreams. Some of you could be starting a new business, or if you have already started, it will be going places. So congrats. Renewal, yeah, see, review the past and present as you plan a brighter future, understanding your life purpose and releasing judgments of yourself and others. Yeah, I do feel that, there is a past situation. Maybe a current marriage is not going well, or you are in a third party situation. So you have to really sit and figure out, do you want the past or do you want something new? Because I feel with the star you can have anything. You can have both of these. You can have one of this person, you can have a new person, the past person. So it is time to sit back and understand what is happening. Also, it is the perfect week to make some long term plans. So I would suggest you to make some maybe some long term plans, plan something, write down your plans, your goals. If you are looking, make a list, wish list also. It's a perfect time for that. Also, I see someone wants to apologize for putting you in a third party, or rejecting you, or losing you for some work or some career or family. Someone wants to apologize. I don't know. Will you accept that apology or not? But I think you should prepare for your future, because your future is extremely bright, and this is the perfect time to plan for something new. Serendipity, yes, you are going to meet whatever you need. Whatever you need, it is coming for you, and by God's grace, by luck. So you are very lucky this week. Some money, you may find some coins or some notes. You may find some flowers also, or feathers. So you are very lucky this week. So what you are looking, it's also looking for you. Milk and honey, comfort is coming. Your material needs, your financial needs will be taken care of, friends. So you don't need to worry about your finances. If you're worried about your finances, don't worry. It will be taken care of. Patience, yeah, divine timing is at work in your life. So all the new plans you make, keep working on it. You will sooner or later you are going to achieve it. And also, if you are like waiting for an apology from a person, or newsletter, or some award, or some graduation degrees from somebody, some patience is needed. You need some divine timing is at work in your life. Be patient. Broken heart, yeah, friends, you're recovering from a broken heart. Someone broke your heart, or maybe their heart is broken too. So someone is healing and recovering. I see you are also healing and recovering. So give yourself time. Don't rush yourself. Give yourself time to heal your heart, to heal your health, your emotions, and you are ready for, if you have just broken up, don't rush into a relationship. That's the worst time to be in a relationship, actually. So give yourself some time. Give yourself some time. And with divine timing, something beautiful is coming, some celebrations. Let's see your advice. Simplify your life, eliminate clutter from your home, work life to balance the flow of activities. Yeah, friends. Definitely, I see that you have a lot going on your plate, lots of thoughts, lots of emotions, lots of future plans, lots of busyness right now. So it is time to don't deal with everything right now. Don't deal with your work situation. Don't deal, you want to deal and fix everything all together right now. It can't be done that way. It can't be done that way. It will tax your health. Like, you guys are like, do this reading, do that reading. Friends, everything will happen. Just give it some time. Just give it some patience. Friends, you need to prioritize this week, which things are important, which things to do first, which things are more important, which you can put on the back burner. So you have to really simplify. Also, clean your rooms, arrange your rooms, let go of the past and bring something new plants, new flowers, new decor, something new. Maybe some, idols, crystals, anything you like. Even a fresh flower will do. Let's see your charms. Lots of dust also coming nowadays, no? You can see, and also my throat is like with dust. Option number 3. All right, let's see. I have a lot of initials. Let's see your. Let's just arrange them first. So someone is a doctor, a healer, or a doctor is important. Maybe some of you are wanting to be a doctor. Yes, you are on the right path. Just prepare well. Sun, maybe some of you are looking, or looking for a baby or something. You will have it. It's a matter of timing. Please excuse my throat. So, doctor may be important. Some of you are, looking for babies. Yes, it will happen with divine timing. Some patience is needed. You will find what you are looking for. Serendipity. What you seek is coming for you. Healing, money, whatever it is. New relationships. So don't worry. So, the initials are DRSONFID. Celebrations. Three of Hearts is celebrations. Friendships are coming. Also, if someone put you in a third party, you will recover from it. Number four is important for you. Number four could also be the month. April is important. And let's see, the pineapple, reunions, resolutions are coming, healing is happening for you. Again, health, take care of your health, friends. Your emotions are high, so take care of your health. Some mood swings may happen, but focus on the good side. Look, something will happen which will make you blush, which will make you smile. And creativity, yes, your creativity is very high, friends. You should focus on it. Focus on singing, learning, dancing, art, paints. We should never consider these things small. They play a very vital role in our life. In fact, you would notice in our earlier times, even in tribes or even in our native, what you say, like even if you see cavemans, they would draw, they would always draw, they would make baskets, they would constantly be involved in art, singing, doing everything. It's very important. Creativity is part of our, it helps to simplify our life. It brings joy in our life. It's very important. It's very important, whether you make a clay pot, whatever you want to do. And house, building a nest, yeah. I think some of you are going to buy a house, or that's important for you, building a family, getting married, finding that, happiness, healing, recovering from a marriage broken. Yes, you are recovering. You will recover and you will find something better. Tree of life. Yes, your connections are very deep, friends, and your future is very bright. King of coins, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus person is important. Four of cups. Yes, life is going a bit slow this week, but you should enjoy it, because it is also like something big is coming for you in the future. This Ace of Wands, Three of coins. Work with people. Don't lose hope. Teamwork is important. A lover is important. Yellow color is important for you. Seven of Cups, yeah, some decision, some confusion is there regarding your future. You have Ace of Ten of Airs, yeah, you went through a terrible breakup with somebody, maybe a lover or maybe with family. I see a terrible breakup happening, but it made you wiser, sage, it made you more intelligent, more spiritually advanced. And let's see what December is important for most of you. Five of Airs, yeah. Someone wants to come back, someone wants to win you again, but there is competition in this connection. Like they have other people involved, third party, religion, culture is there, family is there, money issues are there. Canada is important. Some of you want to travel to Canada, or you want to go there, or some good news is coming regarding some travel. So, friends, it's a great week for you. I will pull you a love message, because I don't know, it keeps like something new or something is happening in your love life. So, let's see your love message. Religious factors. Your love life is influenced by your religious upbringing and spiritual path. So definitely, there is divine timing at work, and some things need to heal so that something else can happen. Chemistry, there is a strong magnetic attraction. So yes, there is a relationship coming with divine timing for you. And that's it for now. Make sure to subscribe Magic Wednesday Tarot, and this is Mystic C saying bye bye.